So among other work I'm doing on this transit, I'm also replacing the droplinks on it. Just in case if you're wondering, that is the part number for the one that I'm using. And on the Mk6 transit, this is your anti-roll bar drop link or stabiliser link, called many different things depending on where you go, and it is a 16mm at the top and bottom, so you just get a spanner on the top, on there, and then you get a socket on the bottom, and you whiz it out. And then once you come towards the end, it will come apart in a few different pieces. There's the bottom. And there we go. That's what holds it all together. So step one is to get this little sleeve on the bolt. There we go. You just want to position that like so, so it's coming through the bottom there. And then what we'll do is we'll have to lift it back up in a second to put the middle sleeve on. There we go. That is that. See the top of that moving. Very good. And now, very simply, put that on the bottom with the nut. Now very simply, all you do is just tighten it down. And that's pretty much it, you just tighten it down to squash the little rubber dampeners there. And I ended up with about that much of the thread coming through the other end when I got tight. So that's it. Very, very, very simple 2-spanner job for a DIYer. And just one last thing, if you do have a big van like mine, one of the 3.5 tonners, make sure you get yourself a good set of axle stands, because even some of the 3-ton ones aren't really quite man enough to take the load of one of these. Well, they are, but these are an awful lot safer, and they just make you feel a little bit more secure. You definitely don't want a van falling on top of you, that's for sure. Anyway, if you give this job a try, let me know how you get on. If you run into any problems and you find some solutions, leave a comment. Maybe you can help somebody else out.